Good morning. Have a nice day, my dear students. Welcome to our English lecture. Myself, Miss Alima Sheikh. Today, I am going to explain you chapter number 8, A Great Leader. In that, I am going to explain you part 2. Students, the pic which is flashed on your mobile phone is the page number 16 of your English Balbharti textbook. So students, this part I had explained you in a previous lecture, right? Today I am going to explain you page number 17. But before moving to the page number 17, I am going to give you a short recap of page number 16, means the part 1, which I had explained you in a previous lecture. That part I am going to explain you in short, right? So, before moving on to this lesson, let me give some intro about the leaders. Children, do you know who are the leaders? Yes, the leaders are the person who have done some great deal, some great sacrifice for our country, for our India to become free from British rules. So there are many leaders are there who sacrifice for their life, who have some policy, who have their own methods, who have their own thinking of making free India from British rule. So here I take out some leaders' name. Bhagat Singh, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Jawaharlal Nehru, and many more. There are more great leaders are there, right? But the great leader who is unbelievable, whose imagination power is different, whose style of living is different, whose method of making a country free from British rule is the unique one, is the different one. And he is one of the most great and well-known personality, no other than Mahatma Gandhi ji is the greatest leader. So this whole chapter is about Mahatma Gandhi ji. Before moving to the chapter, I am going to give you a short information about Mahatma Gandhi ji. So, Mahatma Gandhi birth date 2nd October 1869 and death on 30 January 1948. Mahatma Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was the leader of Indian independence movement against British rule. So student, national symbols of India, father of nation. So students, the pic which is flashed on your mobile phone is the page number 16. In the previous lecture, we have studied about the great personality, or you can say the greatest leader, Mahatma Gandhi ji. He gave us independence from the British rule without using arms and weapons like guns, rifles, etc. And because of him, today we are living in an independent country. People lovingly call him Bapu. Gandhiji's dressing style was very simple. He used to wear dhoti, lawn cloth, even though he can afford good standard of living. He used to live simple life. Once, Gandhiji was having lecture in Odisha, where he noticed that only men are in a large number. No women are there. The women are not attending any lecture of Gandhiji. Right? So Gandhiji has observed this all things in that village. When he inquired about the most painful fact came in front of him, that the woman doesn't have properly means decent clothes to wear. And because of that, they didn't attend the lecture. This hurt Gandhiji deeply. And from that day onwards, Gandhiji wore simple dress in all the weather. So students, let's begin with our today's session. Means the page number 17. So students, page number 17, the very first paragraph. Once he had gone to England to attend a very important conference. King George of England gave a reception to the participants of the conference at his palace. People received by the king have to dress up in a certain way. At that time, England ruled over the India. Means, once Gandhiji had gone to England to attend an important conference. Conference means meeting arranged by King George of England. In that conference, people were given dress code for the conference, which is compulsory for all those who are attending that conference, because that time British rule was being followed in India. Now students, the second paragraph of page number 17. People in England wanted to know if Gandhiji would change the style of his dress to see the king. Gandhiji made it very clear that he would be dressed in his usual way, even when visiting the King of England. He would wear the dress of the people whom he represented. Gandhiji was not bothered by what style of dress the British approved of, so long as the poor people in his country did not have enough clothes to wear. Means, everyone knows that Gandhiji is a person of simplicity. He had never changed for anyone. So, everyone was excited. Everyone was for anyone. Everyone knows that Gandhiji is a person of simplicity. He had never changed for anyone. So everyone was excited. Everyone was eager to see, because Gandhiji was invited in that party. So everyone wants to see whether Gandhiji had changed his dress code or what. In this function, whoever have came, they have to come in a dress code. So everyone was eagerly waiting that Gandhiji will change his dress style or not. Gandhiji was very clear that I will go to attend in the party in a usual way, means in a normal way. Whoever the person, either the person is a great or bigger, it will be the king of that palace, I don't mind, but I will not change my dress style habit for anyone. So Gandhiji does not bother what the British people will think about him. Gandhiji was so much well educated, and then also he is wearing such a normal dress like that the other peoples were thinking, but Gandhiji doesn't bother about it. What thinking is going in his mind, means what the Gandhiji is thinking, that my country people are poor and they don't have enough clothes to wear. So how I can wear such a nice dress. So I am going to follow my country rule. So I will be also coming in a simple clothes. Means if I say in short that all people were desperately waiting to see whether Gandhiji going to change his dressing style or not for the conference. But Gandhiji was a man of iron, though he will not gonna change his rules for anyone, even if he is going to visit a king of England. So Gandhiji never thought that other think about his dressing style. He only think about his country people who don't have much clothes to wear or cover their body. Understood, students, the second paragraph? Now move to the third paragraph. So now, students, the third paragraph. Finally, the king had to welcome at his receptions his great man dressed in a simple lawn cloth and a shawl. Means finally Gandhiji attained the conference in a simple dressing, lawn cloth and a shawl, and the king has to welcome him. Now, student, the fourth paragraph. The king himself was dressed quite extravagantly. Gandhiji was asked whether he had enough clothes on for meeting with the king. He replied that the king had enough clothes on for both of them. Means the king himself dressed in a very extravagantly. Extravagantly means very costly dress. Now, when people asked Gandhiji, have to wear enough cloth for the meeting? Beautifully replied was given by Gandhiji. He said them that the king had worn enough clothes on for both of them. Like that, the Gandhiji has replied to the other people. Student, the next two lines. Millions of poor people in India felt happy that Mahatma Gandhi dressed like them. Means this make million of people in India were happy and start respecting and valuing Gandhiji's wording. So now, student, the last paragraph. Although Mahatma Gandhi did not use any destructive weapons, he had millions of stout followers. Gandhiji showed all the suppressed people in the world the new path of Satyagraha. He is remembered for his greatness not only in India but in all parts of the world. Means Mahatma Gandhiji didn't use arms, as I said you before. Still many people follow his path. Staunch means follower. The people follow his path. Gandhiji showed all the peoples in the world the way of Satyagraha. People from all over the world started admiring Gandhiji's path and tried to follow it. So, through this lesson, we understand that simplicity and truthness is the only key for the success. So, students, everyone understood? The chapter number 8, a great leader. So, students, I had explained you page number 16 and 17. Now, I am going to give you the notes of this lesson. So, everyone just open your combined book and take out your pen. Now, student, page number 25 of your combined book. The very first question, question number 6. Match the opposites. First one, it's public. Answer is private. Second one, difficult. Answer is easy. Third one, truth. Answer is falsehood. Fourth one, dissent. Answer is indecent. Fifth one, approve. Answer is disapprove. So student, we had completed question number 6. Now move to the class work, means the question number 7. Can you recognize these letters with the help of given clues? The very first one, Iron Lady of India, who became the first woman's Prime Minister. Answer, Indira Gandhi. Second one, all children lovingly called him Chacha. Answer, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Third one, he led India to the path of freedom. Answer, Mahatma Gandhi. Fourth one, fearless lad of Punjab, who was hanged by British. Answer, Bhagat Singh. Fifth one, whose birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day? Answer, Dr. Radhakrishnan. Sixth one, he gave us the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Answer, Lal Bahadur Shastri. So students, we had completed the page number 25. In that, we had completed question number 6 and 7. Now, move to the next page, page number 26. So student, the pic which is flash on your mobile phone is the page number 26 of your combined book. Now student, the page number 26. Give meaning of. In that, the very first one. A1, iron well. Answer, strong determination. B1, conference. Answer, a large formal meeting where people discuss important matters. C1, bothered. Answer, worried. D1, extravagantly. Answer, in a way that costs a lots of money. E1, staunch followers. Answer, people who were firm or loyal in the following him. F1, a man of iron will. Answer, a determined person. G1, loin cloth. Answer, a piece of cloth worn around the hips. H1, non-violence. Answer, not hurting others. So student, we had completed the question number 1. Give meaning. Now move to the question number 2. Prepare and write a short speech about anyone, Lokmanya Tilak or Savitribai Phule. So students, I am going to give you some points on Lokmanya Tilak. This answer you can write by your own also. Answer, I am here to tell you about Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He was born in 1856. Lokmanya Tilak inspired a national spirit among the people. He organized public celebration of Ganesh Utsav and Shivaji Jayanti. He criticized the government in his papers, Kesari and Maratha. He was arrested by British government. He must all be like Lokmanya Tilak and keep our freedom safe. So students, we had completed till the page number 26. Now students, I am going to give you a new words from the English Balbharti textbook. So students, those who have completed the combined book part till the page number 26. Now everyone just open your English notebook. So now I am giving you the new words that you have to write 3 times. Okay students? Now student, the pic which is flash on your mobile phone is the page number 16 of your English Balbharti textbook. So now you have to write the new words 3 times in your English notebook. Chapter number 8, a great leader. The very first word is Mahatma Gandhi. Second word, weapons. Third word, independence. Fourth word, Bapuji. Fifth word, simplicity. Sixth word, non-violence. Seventh word, dhoti. Eighth word, leon cloth. Ninth word, deliberate. 10th word, Odisha. 11th words, inquiries. 12th word, woman, flock. Now students, the next page. So students, page number 17. In this page also there is a new words. So the very first word is conference, means this word is the 13th one. Conference. 14th one, George. 15th one, bothered. 16th one, approved. 17th one, extravagantly. 18th one, destructive. 19th one, millions. 21st, stouch. And the last one is satyagraha. So students, these all new words you have to write 3 times in your English notebook. Before 4 p.m. you have to submit the homework part. So students, if you have any doubt regarding the explanation or about the homework part, you can call me or WhatsApp me on my personal number. So students, thank you for watching the video.